Everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihanascuisines Cuisines. Today I'm super excited because we're making homemade Nutella. This is delicious. If you think you can taste the hazelnuts in the Nutella itself, you will be surprised at the taste of hazelnuts in the homemade Nutella. This is no sugar added Nutella and it tastes so good. Now, before we go ahead and discuss the ingredients for this video, if you have subscribed, thank you so much. I love all of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. For all those that have not subscribed, please do so and give me a like on my video. Hit the subscribe button. There's a little bell over there. Hit the bell so you get a notification every time a video has been uploaded. I do upload every Wednesdays and Fridays. I've added a lot of Instapot videos that are coming out in 2019. A lot of air fryer recipes are out, and I'm also going to be doing a series of my lifestyle change, and lots of healthy and other recipes are coming up, so don't miss any of those. So let's go ahead and discuss the ingredients on how to make this. 3 cups of hazelnuts here that are peeled, and if you notice here, you see the color, it's really toasty and nice. The way I did that is I soaked it for 8 hours. And then I drained all the water out. I threw the water out. I put it in the oven for about 2 to 3 hours on 150 degrees. And it really got nice and toasty, and it was just easy to peel. Now there's some here I wanted to show you that just are super stubborn and don't want to peel. It's okay. It's not a big deal. But if you can get the majority of them peeled, that's perfect. So 3 cups of really nicely toasted hazelnuts. If you don't want to do that, you could just buy toasted hazelnuts if you wanted, but because these were raw, I kind of wanted to get rid of all the chemicals that were on the outside. And then here I have 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Now you can use any other oil that solidifies like this. I really haven't used any like ghee or butter. I haven't. I'm going with coconut oil just because it's going to be really nice and shiny, and that's what I'm looking for. Here I have 3/4 cups of chocolate chips. So I decided to go with Lilly's chocolate chips on this recipe because it is sugar-free and they have a wonderful flavor. I have here 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. And then we're going to do some salt to taste. So let's get started. Into my blender, I'm going to add the hazelnuts in there. All right. And then into the bowl that I had the hazelnuts in, I'm going to empty my coconut oil right in there. Scrape all of it out. I'm going to add the chocolate chips in here. I'm going to throw this in the microwave for about a minute or until all the chocolate chips are melted. We've got it really nicely melted. It looks super shiny. And if you wanted to do this on the stovetop, that's perfectly fine. All right, so I'm going to add that to my hazelnuts in there. In goes our cocoa powder. I'm going to add some pink Himalayan salt in there. And now we're just going to let the blender do its magic. So this was, look at how beautiful this looks. It looks shiny. It's nice. It's a little liquidy, but it will set once we put it in the fridge. And you want to run the blender on and off until you don't have that grainy texture. Okay, so I got that, and this is the part I love because I actually sorry Nutella, but this is way better because I can customize it. All right, so this is going to go into the refrigerator. I honestly don't know how long it's going to take. I have one sitting in there because you can make actually 2 of these jars. Our Nutella is ready and it looks amazing. It took about 5 hours for it to completely set in the fridge. Now there's one thing also that I noticed, that if you want to eat it, you can't take it out of the refrigerator right away and eat it. Just take it out like 10 minutes before. And then you're going to have this spreadable consistency. And I'm telling you, I have started using this on my desserts as well. So I'm making my diabetic desserts, and then I add this a little bit on top, and it's got such a rich cocoa flavor. And you know, oh my goodness, the taste of the hazelnuts in here is absolutely amazing. So I'm going to be doing a taste test to show you, but I'm telling you, this is super, super amazing. And it's guilt-free because you know what you've put in it. So it's just really, really good. I'm excited because I know I'm going to have this. This is delicious. And you know, being a diabetic, sometimes you have that craving at night and you want something sweet. I make one of these and I have it with my tea or my coffee. And that just helps with my cravings. So please go ahead, make this. Please, please, please comment and let me know if you've made this, how you like it. Did you make any changes in it? What did you think? I would love to hear from you. So thank you for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. See you then, friends.